Hello, welcome to another tutorial. Today we will be learning on how to create this social media post. I'll be using this photo which I downloaded it from pixels.com. So let's hide it first. Then on our document setup, we have 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels. I also created a margin of 50 pixel all round. So as you can see, we have this rotated rectangle. We are going to start with the rectangle. Let's come here. Actually, it's a square. Hold Shift, drag, then rotate it while holding Shift. You can see 45 or negative 45, and drag it here at the middle. Then let me Control C, Control V so that I can have another copy, which I'll be using it later on. Let me hide it and lock it. So this is our photo. Let me drag it the middle of, enable it, come here to this rectangle, reduce the opacity, hold Shift and scale it down, hold Shift and scale it down also, then drag it and find a perfect size for it. Then let me come to this rectangle, make the opacity 100%, take the rectangle and drag it on this photo. As you can see, the preview, and if you left it, then this is what you'll be having. So next, reference this post of ours. We have this shape here, so we'll be creating that. Come here, let me have a copy of this. Let me drag a copy of this by holding Control and left clicking there. So this is what we have. Next, I want to make it a triangle, so you can come here and convert it to a curve. Then while you are on node tool, select this node here and click delete. Then next, what I'll do, we have this rectangle which we had initially made a copy. I want to scale it up just a little bit, holding Control and Shift somewhere there. Let me change color. Drag this rectangle down here, make it maybe black. Just find the perfect size to your liking. Then what I'll do, I'll select these two shapes, then I'll come here and subtract. First of all, even before I do that, let me drag this rectangle on top so that I can subtract it from here. Now this is what we have. I'll be editing these colors later, but for now, this is what we have. So next, we have this shape here. Hold down Shift, then rotate it, holding down Shift, 45. Scale it down. So this is what we have. Next, create a copy so that I can create the outline. Control C, Control V. Come here and increase the stroke. I also want these corners here to be sharp, so come here, stroke, click stroke, then this joint, click it there. So this is what we have. Then next, as you can see, it's below this photo, so we'll drag it, we'll drag the two down there. Then next we have this elbow shaped here. Let me create this. Just come here, this rectangle, Control C, Control V, and drag it up here, scale it down. Place it somewhere there. Then next, and convert it into a curve. Then come here and add some nodes. Highlight this one, drag it somewhere there. Yeah, that's good. Then next, so let us add these colors first. Can click this shape here, come to this color, Control C, come here, this is our shape, click this icon here, Control V, enter. Now this is the color. Then again can come here and click this shape here. As you can see, this is a group. Just click until you find this rectangle here. Come here to this rectangle. Now this is it, but as you can see, here opacities are 30%. So come opacity of 30%. Next, we have this outline. So this is the color. Control C, select the outline, Control V. Oh, we have to select the outline. Yeah, now that's it. Then now we are on this shape. Let's move the outline, click this icon here, Control V. And this is what we have. But then as you can see, it's the same line as the stroke. But when you come here and check this one, it's somehow protruding upwards. So you can select it, come to this node here, and click there. Just align it to your liking. I think that's fine. Next, we have these two shapes here. Let's create that one. Come this can come here, click this triangle shape, just click there, then you rotate it 180, drag it and fit it perfectly here. Convert it into a curve. Then adjust it so that it can fit on this apex here. I think that's nice. Then click drag while pressing down Control or Command key. Then we scale it holding down Shift and Command key. So this is what we have. You can see. Now next, we have now these shapes. The main one can create this one as a background for our text. Now let's come here and add our brand text here. So you can see we have this word brand where you can place your logo. Now for the fonts family, you can come and select this font here. Let me match font size 33. Bring it to this corner here, then hold down shift and arrow down twice, then arrow left twice. That's what we have. Next, we have this special offer here. So you can see the font we are using is Barlow condensed, bold italic, 50 points. For me, I'll copy this and paste it there. So this is what I have. Next, I have this text here. The same Barlow condensed medium, 18 point. I want to copy the same texts, then paste it here. You can drag this shape somewhere there. Now next, we have this website here. I'll copy the text, paste it here. We also have this get 50% off. I want to copy the text again. Come here. I have this discount. Control copy. Control V. Control C. Control V. And align it. I even reduce the size a little bit. Place it there. So you can see this text, same font. We have black, and this is the font size. The other one, same font, regular font size, semi bold, 32.8. Now let's check on this special text here. So you can see on this reference it's clear, but when you come to this post of ours, it's somehow on top of this shape. So you can either adjust this shape, or rather you can come here and add layer effects, add some shadow, just small radius, set it a little bit. Yeah, you can do it. You can do something like this, and this is okay. Next, what we'll do, I'll not be making these shapes from scratch, so I'll copy them. Control C, then Control V. Then you can come here and align this shop now text. Let me group this. Control G, drag it somewhere there. Then select both. Shift twice. Shift arrow twice. And arrow twice. Now this is what we have. These two, can group them, place them there. Shift down arrow twice, right arrow twice. That's what we have. So you can see now we have our social media posts, but let's check on this color here. You can see this one, it's a little bit, it's too dark. If we click, you can see here it's a pure black, but if you click this one, you can see the hexacode here. You can Control C, come here. So at this hexacode, so you can see most of these colors, they are from this photo here with some little modification. think that's mark the end of our tutorial. Feel free to like, comment, and also subscribe. Thank you.